So traders, on today's video, I'm just gonna keep it simple and make sure that I share to you guys all the information that you need so you can have a wonderful end to this trading week. As today it's a witness day, I want to update you guys based on how the markets have been looking and how the markets might look to continue moving based on the three trading pace that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and USD-CAD. And before we get ahead on the video, 70% of you guys who are always watching my channel and showing up to the channel have not yet subscribed. If I'm adding any value into your trading journey, or if I'm adding any knowledge into your trading, all I ask of you is to just subscribe to the channel, like on the videos, share the channel, and far most importantly, click that link to sign up with the broker that we trade with and highly recommend. And for the most part of it, subscribe to our second crypto channel so you can receive exclusive crypto setups, exclusive information about crypto, and for the most part of it, so you can be updated about the crypto markets. But without further ado, let's get to it. First paper we're going to be working on is nasdaq. And if you guys clearly understand on our weekly trading outlook, which is the previous video, you can go check it out so you can understand and get the picture into what we are going to share based on this video. Nasdaq, we did live a clean anticipation that price is within our range, and all we're going to be focusing on is to see what is price going to do. Are we going to move bullish so we can look for price? Are we going to continue bullish so we can see a reaction within our resistance, or is price going to continue bearish? It's going to move bearish so we can somehow see a reaction within our support. As you can clearly see, price at a continuation to the upside, and video trade breakdown video will be dropping soon because in the COT Academy chat we took an exclusive and great trading setup yesterday, but more information will be dropping on Friday, so stick around, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So we now understand that Nasdaq did continue bullish, but moving forward, we're simply gonna wait and see what is price gonna do moving forward to the this week. Is price gonna give us a filter break of our resistance so we can look for that move to the downside, or is price gonna give us a simple break so we can anticipate those continuations to the upside of possible new all-time highs? Nasdaq, it's very simple, guys. Like Nasdaq is the simplest pair you can trade in the world, in my own opinion, right? So, like I say, where price is currently trading, we're gonna simply wait and see what is price gonna do. Are we gonna get a break above our resistance to continue bullish, or is price gonna give us a filter break to look for those moves to the downside? Because price is not trading far from our resistance, but trading far from our support. So we're gonna simply focus on our resistance zone. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And on gold, I did leave you guys with a clean anticipation that price has been holding good, higher highs and higher lows, right? And we spoke about what we might look to experience moving forward to this week based on price giving us this higher high and higher low formation. And currently price gave us this high, right? Which is somehow possibly looking like a double top. So all I'm now gonna do is just simply take our A and put it right there on our previous higher high to see what is price gonna do from there. So gold, all I'm just gonna do to you guys, it's we might just continue waiting based on us having to see what nature is gold going to express to us as traders, right? Because price is holding a higher high and higher low behavior, but we broke above our higher high and now we're currently trading below our higher high. So all we're now going to be focusing on is to see, is price going to give us a break above our higher high in anticipation of possible new higher highs, or based on price trading below, is price going to give us a filter break and look for those moves to the downside? We just don't know, but we're going to keep it the way we keep it. We're just going to wait for confirmation to see what is price going to do moving forward from where it's currently trading. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD-CAD, and USD-CAD might also be a tradable pair. Let me share to you guys why am I saying this. First things first, when you guys understand based on our weekly trading outlook, we did share that price gave us a break, and now we're currently looking for a retest or possible continuations to the upside. So it happened that price did fail our anticipation based on price giving us this retest and a continuation to the upside. That didn't have enough momentum because this previous high price still respected, couldn't break above the previous high, and price gave us a double top and we pushed to the downside. So if you clearly look at this, price gave us a lower low and price gave us a lower high, and then price continued pushing, giving us a lower low and a push, a lower high and a push of a lower low and a push of a lower high, and then a impulsive push to the downside of a lower low, and currently price is holding a lower high. All we're now going to be focusing on it's just three things. One, Is price going to give us a fill to break to look for those moves to the downside? Or is price going to give us a break above to look for those moves to the upside? Or is price going to break our high, our lower low in anticipation of what? Of possible new lower lows so we can continue putting our money to work. And that's all we're going to be focusing on. So on this three trading pays, our money will be put on nasdaq and USD Gold, we might have to wait a little because price isn't confirmed as of yet into what we might look to experience. But nasdaq and USD those will be tradable pairs. Let me share a secret to you guys before I end the video. If nasdaq continues bullish, USD will continue bearish. If USD continues bullish, nasdaq will reverse and be bearish. Do you guys get it? But that's what I will do. I hope I changed someone's trading perspective, and I hope I added value into your trading journey. Without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.